Hello everyone, this is NorthWind here, and welcome back to Technobabylon. In the last episode, we were sent to the, I guess, like, some kind of a lab that Regis went to, and the guy Baxter ended up dead, and now we're going to be hunting through plants here, see if we can find, you know, the secret message. So we need to get some information about these plants. Let's check out these yellow epigeel plants. Can we get a sample from these guys? Yes, we can.
Taking a DNA sample from it.
Excellent. What do we got here? We've got blue plants. Can we get something from the blue plants? Yes, we can.
Taking a DNA sample from it.
That's great. And then we have the red flowered trees. So yellow, blue, and red. Can't see.
I've taken a DNA sample from it.
Any further. Let's get rid of that. That's kind of cool looking. What about these guys? What do they look like? That's kind of weird looking. I guess they're flowers with fruit or vegetables attached to them. Still pretty weird.
I have no idea what anything on here means. This is the kind of thing that'd take a cram course in trans ed.
Okay. Well, let's see. Can I put, let's see, the sample into the gene sequencer? Guess I can. Excellent. Lots of tests being done. No modified sequences found.
Looks like Regis didn't hide any data in that one.
And, oh, sample B? Okay. They're doing it one at a time. Or that one.
Looks like Regis didn't hide any data in that one.
What about the third one? So only 3 that I can pick from. Okay, we've got something.
There's some more.
What? Please add missing sectors to file.
I need to find where he's hidden the rest of the message before I get any sense out of it.
Okay. Can I go to these airlocks? Maybe I can go up to another level? No, apparently not.
Security clearance not valid for access to Growth Lab. Bakerman Pharmaceuticals thanks you for your cooperation.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, what's this again? This is the audio recording.
It's the DNA. I need to take samples from plants. I think Regis hid the rest.
Yeah, I did. The readouts are worthless. Can we get into the production lab? We can. Oh, well, excellent. There's more plants here. Let's take some from here. What else do we get?
A DNA sample from it.
Yeah. Thank you for doing your job. Blue. What about this?
I've taken a DNA sample from it.
Yellow blooms.
I've taken a DNA sample from it.
Excellent. I think that's everything from in here. Let's talk to this guy. Neester.
Unconventional. Kids these days. Oh God, I sound like Regis.
What are we doing?
I never thought engineering would be so industrial. It's like a factory line.
Okay. Seed bank. Can I get in here? Oh.
Oh God, what a mess.
Well, to be fair, the Vanderwall apartment was a lot bigger mess.
It's a drone that runs back and forth on rails. Must be what they use to store and retrieve samples in here.
It's not very creative naming.
It looks like it's controlling the sorting drones on the racks.
Okay, can I do anything with it? It's empty. Interesting. So, I've got no seeds to put in there. Let's look at the body.
Update Central.
What is the situation, Dr. Lau?
Dr. Baxter is certainly dead.
Mm-hmm.
He's been decapitated. And not cleanly either.
That's not
His
pleasant.
head has been removed.
More
That's
like
what
disorder.
decapitated means.
At a glance, this would be the most likely cause of death.
Let's see. Anything else in here? Wetware?
I'd better not. It would only take it away and store it.
Alright, so I guess I can't use my wetware on
I haven't
things.
examined the body.
What do you mean I haven't?
Update Central. Nothing unusual found on the bot. Estimation on time.
The climate control in the specimen lab is compromising your sensors. Ambient temperature is just above freezing. What is your estimation of the incident, Dr. Lau?
There's too much we can't say for sure. We don't know precisely when Baxter was murdered. We can't even be sure that this was the cause of death.
That is a fair assessment. A clearer picture will no doubt follow the autopsy.
Don't send in anyone yet. I still need to carry out a preliminary.
I understand. Continue your investigation of events surrounding the incident.
Understood. Lau out. I hope I can find something to get Regis off the hook.
Uh-huh. Well, let's run this sample, or these 3 samples, back to the gene sequencer. Maybe we can get a... maybe we can get that audio recording. I don't think we can go in that airlock quite yet. Probably at some point. Alright, let's use the DNA samples on the gene sequencer. Hopefully we have a little bit more stuff. Nothing.
Looks like Regis did.
What about the next one?
Looks
Nothing.
like Regis. Looks
Nothing.
Like
Weird.
Excuse me, Dr. Chigwell.
Make it quick, I'm busy.
Have you found anything else with added genetic data?
As a matter of fact, I have.
Okay.
There's a batch of Orchidacea isotria in the growth lab, and...
And?
I can't remember exactly which specimen the other was. I do remember that it had red flowers, variegated, that is, multicolored leaves.
Okay.
And very small fruit. Is that all?
For now.
Then if you'll...
Alright, so red leaves and red small fruit, multicolored leaves. Let's try it. The other one she said was blue. She said it could have been in the growth lab though. Alright, what's this? Nah, that's definitely not that one.
I've taken a DNA.
Okay, what about this? No, that's got huge fruit. Humongous fruit. Alright, let's run those 2 through the sequencer. Alright.
Some more.
Good.
Looks like Regis didn't hide.
There's another
I'm going
file.
To find where he said.
So weird. Alright, well that was definitely the red one. Can I do this? I can do this.
Warning, security clearance not.
Come on.
New security profile created. Access
Nice.
granted. Welcome, Dr. Lau.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Let's see what's in here. Anything? Oh, there is something. What do we got here? Blue plants, red plants. What about this one? Pipes. Growth cylinders.
I can't see them from up.
Can I go to the ladder? I can. Nice. There's lots of stuff here. Anything here?
Hey, this one's.
Good.
These don't look like any of the others in here.
Well, then maybe I should take a sample of them.
I've taken a DNA.
Anything else? No. Let's head back up. Grab that red tree that we know has the right one. So apparently we've got a bunch in here. But I think these are just duplicates of ones that are already out there. I think. I don't know.
Warning, copyright breach in progress.
Excuse me?
You are not authorized to remove Orchidaceae isotopes.
Okay, we did grab the one.
From the growth lab. They are copyrighted property of Typho Labs GmbH. Beginning purge.
Hey, my sick.
Crap.
What did you do?
To prevent theft of intellectual property, gene sequences in your possession have been neutralized. Have a nice day.
Well, that
Gee,
sucks.
thanks.
Alright, oh, first aid kit.
This could be useful.
Auto
Looks like a lot
injector.
of cartridges for the injector.
I have no idea what to use any of this stuff for. Draculin. That's for, ooh, pipes. What do we do here?
Nothing happened.
Okay. There were pipes downstairs as well. Those pipes connected?
Oops.
What did I do? Wait, I bet you that makes it so that he can't gas my samples. Let's try to get another one and test it out. Not the injector. DNA sampler.
I've taken a DNA sample from it.
Good for you. Alright, well, let's cross our fingers here that we can actually get out of the, what's it called, airlock.
Warning, copyright breach in progress.
Excuse me?
You are not authorized to remove Orchidaceae isotria samples from the growth lab. They are copyrighted property of Typho Labs GmbH. Beginning purge.
Hey, my sample!
Did it actually get rid of
What
it?
did you...
To prevent gene have an
Gee,
Did it actually get rid of it? It did.
nothing happened.
Alright, there's gotta be something that I can do here.
I don't think I can fix it. No. I don't know what's in them, but they look important.
Alright, so I obviously can't do anything with that quite yet. Shouldn't stop me, I don't have anything for him to stop. I'm gonna use the auto ejector on this guy.
And so the evil regularly laughed at deadly hair.
I see. Apparently that didn't help.
What?
He looks... Oh god, I sound... Hi there.
Georgie promised a blow by blow.
What? Who are you?
Can I get your name?
Did Marge lend her a lot of money?
Okay.
Did she? I don't know. What do you
What's
do
your
here?
role at this facility?
The clear star that is yesterday wants to set things right.
Uh-huh. What happened here?
Monsters angrily destroy the secret paper.
I see. My name
Hello.
is Dr. Max Lau. I'm a cell case specialist.
Nihilism asked you a question?
Did it? What's wrong with
You're
you?
not making any sense.
I can't not promise to avoid not doing that thing I don't do.
Are you alright?
When do you offer a mechanical holiday?
What?
I give up.
What time do we think we want it to be?
I don't know, but I want it to be something where I can get that sample out. Hi.
Excuse me, Dr.
Make it quick, I'm busy.
Neaster's not making any sense.
Talking to your intern, it wasn't helpful.
Oh, never mind that. He's got aphasia.
What's that
Isn't
mean?
that treatable?
Oh, yes. He just gave it to himself. It's what the kids are into these days.
Crippling neurological disorders?
Yes and no. Maladism, they call it. They give themselves old diseases. It only lasts about a week each time.
That's
And you let him do
creepy.
that?
He's not public-facing, and as long as it doesn't get in the way of his work. I figure we all did things the old folks thought were stupid back when we were kids.
I need to ask Neaster about the tampered specimens. How do I cure his aphasia?
Well, you wouldn't really cure it. He doesn't actually have the disease. It's essentially wetware designed to occupy the Wernicke and Broca regions of the brain. This then produces the symptoms of the disease. That's what they're going for.
I can't
Okay.
wait a week for the wetware to break down.
Find a way to break it down early then. If we've got an emergency contamination, we use hydroxypyruvate isomerase. It's an enzyme that instructs the fabricators in wetware to disassemble themselves.
Okay.
Is that all?
For now.
Then if you...
Okay. Well, is that in the first aid kit? Maybe. Hello, first aid kit.
Looks like a lot of...
Yeah. That sounds like it. Okay. Let's go and bug a creepy guy. Hello, creepy guy.
Is a person of the worst living as a survival pull the battle of long-term stabbers in their roots?
Really? How interesting.
Beached questions, you injector?
Say that again?
Overpass, did you stick me with an injector? Now I'll have to get my aphasia rejabbed. Not cool, man.
What?
Excuse me.
Yeah?
Oh, good. I can talk to him now. Uh...
I need to remove the Orchidaceae isotria sample from the growth room. Thing is, the airlock told me it was copyrighted, then blasted me with gas.
Yeah, that one belongs to Tifu. They're way touchy about it. Only lab staff are able to remove it for factory.
Could you get the sample for me?
Hey, no way, man. I'm already on 2 strikes for taking stuff out of the lab.
So you could, but you won't.
Sorry, man. Jake already thinks I'm stealing stuff. There's a huge street market for things like spark fruit or cracked wetware.
Well, there's a burst pipe.
Hey, the pipes in the growth lab are leaking.
Ah, you get again? Better go fix it before Chiqua starts yelling.
Okay. Apparently... that... Can I do anything here in the production lab? Anything? No?
According to the labels, the...
Well, I certainly don't have protective gear. He's working on the pipes. Maybe he has to shut things down first?
Excuse me.
Can this wait? If I don't fix the...
Alright, well... I got an idea. I'm gonna try to hide this stuff on him. Grab a sample of this thing.
I've taken a DNA sample.
Excellent. Let's go up. I bet you it'll probably try to... it didn't work.
It's the DNA. I need to take...
Yeah. Well, let's test it. Maybe, maybe since he's working on it, it's been turned off.
Warning.
Nope.
You are not there.
Guess
Hey,
not. What's that?
The biohazard trefoil on these isn't encouraging.
Growth matrix? What's that?
What is this stuff? Better trans up some data on it.
Extraterrestrial life is first discovered on Tisser's comet. Someone administers extraterrestrial fungi. It's believed to be some evolution, panspermia by others. Extremely rapid growth in Earth's atmosphere, severe ecological risks. Samples are closely controlled. Stored as a growth matrix. Well, can I take sample of it?
It won't take a DNA sample from the growth matrix. Maybe it needs a bigger specimen?
Maybe this needs a bigger specimen? Sure. I'm betting that it has something to do with this growth matrix. Maybe we can use the growth matrix to get this thing out. Wait. This one's empty. Put it in here.
There. I've planted. Let's hope I got Mom. I've taken a DNA.
Now this thing, according to what we read, was supposed to be growing fast, so... Let's see how long it takes for it to grow. Alright, that didn't work. It's still not growing. Maybe we gotta leave and come back, maybe?
Excuse me.
This way.
Yep, that did it. Can we take a sample of that?
I've taken a DNA. I hope it doesn't grow in my pocket.
The DNA? I don't know if that's possible. I don't know that it's impossible. Seriously. Is this gonna tell me that I can't get through with it?
Warning.
Excuse me?
You are there.
Hey, my sample!
Obviously this guy's gotta take it out for us. We can't take it out ourselves. We can't put the thing on him. There's no pneumatic tubing. Let's put it in the toolbox. Oh, really?
You better not lose.
Oh, really? Ah, I see. Okay. Nice. Okay, so now we go and get it from the toolbox. Convoluted logic. Should have realized that's what we had to do. Get it from the toolbox. Alright, now we're gonna go and we're gonna get that last one and we're gonna put it in the sampler. Plus we
I
still
can't
need...
inject that.
What? Not that. Sampler. Excellent.
I've taken a deal.
Now we put it in the sequencer. And this better do it. Okay. Good.
Aha! Got some.
This is the alien stuff.
Yes!
Nice. And the third one I know has some.
There's some more.
Okay, this should be everything. What?
I'm going to need to find where he's hidden.
That is the rest of it. Oh no. Seriously? Is it in the wrong order? Oh, that sucks. Okay, hold on a minute. Okay, so we're gonna talk to Neester here.
Excuse me.
Yeah?
DNA samples.
Dr. Chigwa tells me that some of the specimens have been tampered.
Oh yeah, I found one of those. Man, couldn't they have just killed the guy without messing up my work?
I need to find it. Which specimen was it?
Oh, Acorus brasiliana.
Well, that makes
When I
sense.
found
It starts with an
I
A.
just thought Baxter was nuking it up again.
What did you do with it?
I just sent it back to the specimen lab. Should be there in the sample store.
Sample store.
Alright.
Uh-huh.
Probably the seed bank, maybe? Okay. Something Brazil. No. 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 That's the one. Let's get that. Nah?
I've taken a DNA.
Nice. Alright, so that should be the last A to spell out my name. They certainly send you all over the place to get these samples, don't they? Alright, there we go. Last one.
It worked.
Nice. Maxlow.
Wow. If you're listening to this, well, it means they've got me.
Oh no, Regis, no, no, no.
But Lau, ignore anything left in the recording up to this point.
Huh?
Sorry for being so unhelpful with the message, but I had to be sure you were the one who heard it first. Everyone will be saying that I came to the lab to, well, for Baxter, and they might be right. Except that he's been dead since before I got here.
Yes.
We need to touch bases on this case. Meet me... Meet me where we were both first involved in a case. I'll try to explain when you get here. Good luck.
Oh God.
Thank God. You've got some explaining to do, Regis.
Wow. Okay. Well, we got the Mindjacker. What's he doing?
What the hell did you think you were doing? We need her alive.
I saw an opportunity for striking back at Regis.
Ooh, somebody hates Regis.
Business.
At Regis? You've never even met the man.
Yes, but I...
You haven't offloaded Baxter yet, have you? Look, there might just be a use for your newfound vendetta. The tap on his partner was successful. She found where Regis is hiding. He's an unfactored element. Now, he needs to be removed from the equation.
Don't worry. I'll kill him myself if it comes to it.
There's only so much of the city's resources that can be diverted to this. Find him. Finish him.
City's
then
resources?
return for offloading. Remember, I'm your controller, not Baxter.
What the heck is going on?
Don't be so sure.
That's not creepy at all.
So I got out. I managed to find somewhere to lie low.
Yeah.
I know what Central's capable of. You can only hide from it for so long. Lau had better find that message before an aerostat comes this way.
Uh-oh.
What the
Uh-oh.
hell?
Alright. that is going to be the end of this episode. I know we derped around quite a bit looking for those samples. This is probably a little bit longer episode, but that's okay. Thanks for watching, I appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye now.